first grab and go bags for kindergarten through third graders are going out this week. And the first one is really fun. It's a dragon accordion fold puppet. Pretty cool. So I'm going to show you the contents in the bag as well as how to do this accordion fold so you can make your own dragon puppet. Before I do that, I want to give you a little bit of information about these grab and go bags. We have 3 different age groups: toddlers and preschoolers, kindergarten through third graders, and 4th through 6th graders. We ask that each child take only 1 bag total, so that way there's enough for everybody. And we're going to put them out this week and we'll see how long they last. It's going to be first come, first served. And if they go very, very quickly, we will replenish them so there's more out there. If they last for a little while longer, we'll send out reminders on social media and through our email newsletter as well. If you have any questions, definitely reach out to us. We love hearing from you. So I'm going to show you the contents in one of the bags. We'll move my little dragon off to the side. So each bag will have a list of directions, no matter what the age group is. And the directions will include a list of contents, supplies that you will need to provide at your own house, directions, and then a couple of book suggestions about the bag theme, and even some more activities that you can try together as a family. So let's see what's in the dragon accordion bag that you will need. Okay, so the first ones, there's different flyers and handouts and coloring sheets. There's 2 different colors of a long colored paper. There's crepe paper for the fire. Each bag has different sizes and different colors of random pieces of scrap paper, and you can use these to add wings or legs or teeth or whatever you want to the head and the body of your dragon. Whoop, there's another one. 2 straws. These straws will help you move your puppet dragon. A cup or a bowl, and this will be the face of your dragon. A pencil, in case you need to draw anything. And 2 Google eyes. These are going to be hard for you to see because these ones are small. So 2 Google eyes as well. So that is what you will find in each bag. I'm going to demonstrate how to make that accordion fold for your dragon. So I have purple and orange strips of paper, and they're pretty long, as you can see. What we're going to do is we're going to lay one right on top of the other, just like that. So it looks kind of like an L maybe. And we're going to attach them together. I have a stapler. You might have tape or glue, whatever works. So now we have our big L, or part of a square, part of a triangle. And once you get going, this is going to be very, very easy. So you're going to take your orange that's on the bottom and the purple that's on the top. So the orange is going to fold over, and then you can give it a crease. There you go. So now the orange is on top and the purple is on the bottom. So now we'll fold purple over top of the orange, and the purple is back on top. So we'll just keep going like that. If it's easier, you can do it on the table. I'm going to keep doing it this way so you can see what's happening. Purple on the top Now the orange on the top. And you'll keep going just like that, folding, folding, till you get to the end. And then you can attach the other strips of paper to make them longer, and you can keep going. And then your fold should look like that. Pretty nifty, huh? We hope that you enjoy making the dragon puppet as much as I enjoyed making mine. I still have to add some wings to my dragon. And I might color his head a little bit, maybe give him some scales and give him some feet. Maybe I'll have him holding feet that are clutching pieces of gold or something. Reach out to us if you have any questions, and stay tuned for more videos and information regarding how our summer learning challenge is going to look, and more upcoming grab and go bags and other opportunities for you as a family to still connect with us at the library even during this stay-at-home time. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.